in Mauna Loa in Poipu Kai. Mauna Loa is a really kind of special condo complex within Poipu Kai. Here are some of my favorite things about Mauna Loa and Poipu Kai. Number one is the location. It's so close to Brenny Keys and Poipu Beach, literally a 3 or 4 minute walk away. Number two, the location of the pool. I think it's the best pool in all of Poipu Kai because it's so close to the water. Sit, lay at the pool, get a tan, watch the water, hear the waves crash all day long. Another thing that's really nice about Mauna Loa that not a lot of people are aware of is instead of it being just open parking, there is a parking structure with bougainvilleas growing on top. So it adds like a tropical flower look to it adds a tropical flower, and it helps it to feel more exciting, more tropical. What is really great about this Mauna Loa condo is it is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom. If you've been looking for a condo or a vacation rental on the south side of Kauai, you probably know there are not a lot of 3-bedroom, 3-bathrooms. This is one of the few. And the owners have remodeled the kitchen and the bathrooms, and it is ready to sell. I remember when my clients, the sellers, bought this condo through me, and we started talking about how to renovate the bathrooms. I love the choices that they picked. I think they were both modern and a little bit timeless. This condo is being sold fully furnished, and I love the color choices that they've picked, right? The turquoise and the white. It's reminiscent of a tropical beach. One of the other very smart things that these sellers did is they turned one of the bedrooms into a bunk room. Right? So a lot of people looking to come on a vacation rental come with 2 adult siblings, with their spouses and kids, or a couple of friends. So having a bunk room where you can throw in a bunch of kids, it's a great way for a vacation rental to function successfully. I'm standing on the lanai of the bunk room, so just picture, you put your kids up in the bunk room, they have this little bar where they can color, eat popsicles, what have you, and then they come in here and they can all be tucked away in their own bed, but together and upstairs. This is just a great bunk room, right? They were able to fit 2 bunk beds, queen on the bottom, single on top. You can throw a lot of kids up here. One of the great things about this condo in Mauna Loa is this huge lanai, right? You have a table that seats 8 and 2 lounge chairs. So you can lay out here and you can have a 7-course meal. So once again, it's a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, remodeled kitchen and bathrooms in Mauna Loa, which is inside Poipu Kai and inside Kauai's Southside visitor destination area where short-term rentals are allowed. A 3 to 4 minute walk to Poipu Beach and Branaki Beach. Probably another 10 to 12 walk to Shipwrecks. This is in an ideal location. If you have any more questions, curious, tell me in the comments below or reach out to me. I'd love to answer all your questions.